You saw right through every last bit of me. I should've known it from your energy. We've got this synergy. Your soul was close like it remember.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and I'm so excited to have you here today. In today's video, I'll be installing the Shake and Go Curtain Bangs HD Lace Wig in the style Bombshell. This is how the wig looks straight out of the package, and this is the inside cap construction of the wig with 3 combs securing the wig. Now I'm just brushing the hair from the bottom to top to get rid of any tangles. Now let me tell y'all something, this is the easiest wig I've ever installed, and I mean easiest. I had to do minimum application and styling. So if you're looking for something quick that you can grab and go, this is definitely the wig for you. To start off, I'll be applying my Nairobi hair mousse and brush to run through the top. Now this is an essential step if you want the flattest look possible. I'll then go over my middle part with the wax stick and press down the parting space with the hot comb, and then I'll be doing this a couple times just to get a flat install. Now as you can see, I'm not running the hot comb all the way through the hair so I don't lose any of the curls. For the bangs, I'm going to start off by sectioning the bangs by length and then using my razor comb to cut it shorter. And by the way, all the products used in this video will be listed below and can be found on Amazon or at your local beauty supply shop. Cutting the bangs shorter is definitely optional and it's up to your preference. I'm cutting mine shorter just to frame my face a little bit better. I usually wear lashes about 20 to 25 mm, which is pretty long if I do say so myself. And baby, let me tell you something, your girl can't see with these bangs, okay? I cannot see with these, so I'm just gonna cut it a little bit shorter so I can see. I do plan on wearing this unit for about 2 to 3 weeks, so taking it off and on a daily basis is a good way to keep up the look. I'm cutting it section by section just to see how it frames my face, because one thing's for certain and two things for sure. You can't go back once you've cut it too short. So better safe than sorry. Cut it small sections at a time. This look is already coming together and I'm so excited. It looks so good. To get an even flatter look, I'm going to go over the unit with more mousse and hot comb to press down the bangs and the side of the unit. Now don't forget, do not run the hot comb all the way through, okay? We need some of the curls intact. Y'all, look at me burning myself. This hot comb is on heat 5 out of 20, and surprisingly, this unit is taking heat very well, considering it's a synthetic wig. Once I've gotten it to my liking, I'll then take my Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the lightest shade that I have to enhance the part in space to look like scalp. One advice I will give is if you accidentally cut the bangs too short, you can pull the wig up just a little bit, not too much, but just a little bit, because you can only pull it up so much before it starts looking weird and bulky in the back. This is the final look of this unit. I love, 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 love this unit. It's very soft and it feels like human hair even though it's synthetic, and it can take heat pretty raw. So when I say run, run, don't walk, run, okay, and get this unit. I usually work 12-hour shift, and when I get home, I just take it off and put it on my mannequin head, and in the morning, put it right back on, okay, real quick, no styling needed. And it also comes in different colors for the girlies that love colors. Thank y'all for watching my video. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye.